This super bright flashlight is so impressive that even my friend's husband wants to buy one. It's a German high-tech product that uses the latest developed LED technology. When turned on at night, it illuminates an entire village, even scaring away potential thieves. It also doubles as a power bank for emergency phone charging. It's perfect for outdoor activities such as fishing, camping, and hiking, and provides extra security for women walking alone at night. The flashlight has a large rechargeable battery that charges quickly and lasts up to 7 days on a single charge. Its casing is made of the latest waterproof and shock-resistant materials, making it durable enough to withstand even the heaviest rain. Over 100,000 units have already been sold. If you order today, you can enjoy a 50% discount as part of the manufacturer's promotional offer. Hurry, this offer ends today, and prices will return to their original rates tomorrow.